Melissa here with A Raw Lifestyle. I hope everybody is doing well. I decided to do a little bit of a different video than I've ever done before, and that's a try-on haul because I don't go shopping for clothes. I've been on this weight loss journey for quite some time now, and if I'm basically just buy the same thing. Black pants, big shirts, queen of not a put together look, that's for sure. But lately with just me feeling better and me wanting to continue to feel better, I wanted to buy a couple of pieces that just make me feel comfortable in my own skin and my own clothes. And I had heard of Torrid, so I have a Torrid haul here today. I just got four shirts and a pair of jeans. A pair of jeans, you guys, I haven't bought jeans, like real jeans, in over a decade. So I'm super excited. I'm very thrilled with the way they fit and the way they feel. But I had never been to Torrid. This is my very first time ever shopping there. I have seen hauls online that they're expensive and whatnot, but I figured I wanted to go check them out. So I did. And for 4 shirts, one's a hoodie, one's a sweater, 2 t-shirts, and jeans, I think it was like $140, which I don't think is really that terrible. When each item, I can tell you how much each item was. I guess they're on the more expensive side for sure, but the quality of the clothes, I'm used to shopping at Walmart, to be really honest with you. So the quality of the clothes is really good. So I'll just show you what I got and then I'll try them on for you, so you guys can see what they look like. So this is just a t-shirt. I don't know, I thought it would go with the jeans. It was, I did have, there had some sales and 40% off coupon because I did the credit card thing just because I wanted the 40% off. Let's see, this was originally, yeah, that's expensive, $32 for a t-shirt. This is a size 3, and that's because I gave myself some room in case it shrinks, because I think it'll shrink a little bit and then it'll fit me perfectly. Let me see, $32.90, so I got it for $19.74 with that 40% off. This is just, I guess, a white boyfriend tee is what it says. It's just a t-shirt. This again is a size 3. My true size is actually between an 18 and a 20, depending. 18s are usually too tight and 20 is a little bit too big. For shirts, I always get a 2 or 3X, especially room for shrinkage and just comfortability. So this is just a white tee and it was $34.90. So that is definitely expensive. And I got that one for $20.94. So that was nice. This is a hoodie. Thought it was cute. I did get this in a 3 also. $48.90. Just a hoodie. Gray hoodie. But super soft and super comfortable. And this was $29.34. So really that's not bad, the sale price that I got. This was actually on sale. The prices I'm telling you guys are not right. I'll just take a picture of this and then post it at the end of the video. But it was originally $48.90, on sale for $29.34, so it was $19.56. This was $19.56. This final price was $20.94. $13.96. Okay, I'm just gonna start over. I'm not gonna start over, I'm just gonna keep going. The 4th shirt that I got is just a gray sweater. And it has like, I don't know how to explain, I'm not a fashionista, so it's just got this rounded bottom that kind of hides the stomach and the back. So nice detailing in the back here. It's super soft again. And then the jeans I got, they are virtual stretch zipped Shapelicious Ultimate Comfort. what were they called? Boot, like boot cut, boot, I don't know. I got the jeans in a 18. I did try the 20 on. They were super comfortable, but they were a little bit big. The 18 is a little bit tight, but as I continue to drop the LBs, they have the wide leg and they'll just become more and more comfortable. So I'm just gonna go over the prices really, really quick so you can get an idea. The jean, $58.90. Again, I haven't bought jeans for a while, but they're comfortable, they're stretchy, they're quality. So $58.90 on sale for $33.90, and then with the 40% off was only $25. This, so comfortable and super soft, was $42.90 on sale for $25.74. So $25.74 is not that bad, and $17.16 is what I paid with the 40% off. The gray t-shirt with the eyelashes, $32.90 original price, super expensive for a t-shirt, on sale for $19.74, and I paid $13. So that's the final price that I paid. Is I can do that, especially for quality clothes. The white t-shirt, $34.90, on sale for $20.94, $13.96. The lashes was $13.16. I think I got those mixed up. And then finally, the gray hoodie was $48.90, on sale for $29.34, so $19.56. So 4 shirts, 2 warm ones, 2 t-shirts, and the jeans, and I paid $146. So that is it. I'm gonna go try it on for you guys. Okay, you guys know that I have never done a video like this, so hopefully the lighting is okay. It's not the best, but hopefully you guys can see everything. We can talk first about what I'm wearing. This is actually, I know it's not a Lane Bryant haul, but I just started shopping there for the first time too. And so I figured I would just talk about what I'm wearing. And the shirt and the pants are both Lane Bryant. It's just, this is a, I think it's a 3. I can check when I turn it. So it's just a green shirt with capris with the tie down below, pockets. So the pants are an 18 and the shirt is, I'm gonna check right now what the shirt is because I'm gonna try on the other shirts anyways. But yeah, definitely clothes has changed the way I feel about myself a little bit. Just wearing something a little bit more fitting and quality and not so sloppy has improved my confidence. So yep, this is a 3X. I am probably a true 2X, size 18. So, all right, so on to the first outfit from Torrid. So we're gonna start with the jeans, size 18. Okay, now they're a little bit hard, sorry, to get on. Like I said, they're a little tight. And then the belly. I think this is probably my biggest insecurity is the belly. And I think it's the thing that's most restrictive with being overweight. It always gets in the way. Okay guys, I got them on. I got on a size 18. There was a time where no 18 would fit me, that's for sure. This is just a white tank top. And my cute little size 18 jeans. You guys look. Aren't they cute? I can't believe they're so comfortable. Yes, I know, I still can't hide all this, but at least I can look kind of cute. So, I love the boot cut. This is what I used to wear in my younger years. I'm gonna put the white shirt on. So we've got the size 3, there's a white tee. 3. It's just, it's loose, it's cozy, it's comfortable. If I do shrink it a little bit, I won't have to worry about it not fitting. It feels loose. I mean, I'm still not 100% comfortable in it because of, I can't have this, yeah. But it's comfortable. And it's cute. Okay, and we'll just throw the hoodie on over it. This is probably my favorite piece out of all of it, is the hoodie. It's just so comfortable. Sorry about the heat, you guys. It's loud. It's comfortable. I think I look cute in it. This is the most like form-fitting clothes. Even though it's a hoodie, it's much tighter than those I usually wear. I'm a hoodie and a sweatpants type person, but I feel comfortable. I feel like I don't look that bad. I am going to take this off, the t-shirt off, and throw on the gray shirt. So I'm gonna try the gray long sleeve on, and then the t-shirt, and then I do have a pair of black capris I got at Lane Bryant when I got the other black pants and the green shirt. So I'm gonna try and see what that looks like with the eyelash shirt and this shirt. So as you can see, it's got this like rounded bottom. Super cute. Super fall-like. Good for winter. Super soft. Love the detailing. Yeah, it's cute. And I'm gonna try the t-shirt. This is probably my second favorite. I mean, I'd probably say the jeans are my first favorite, then the hoodie, then this. I like them all. I was in the store for a very long time. I am a very hard shopper. I don't enjoy the process necessarily. But then if you find something that you're comfortable with, it's all worth it. So this is again a size 3, super cute. If it shrinks a little bit, it'll still be comfortable. I feel like I am like showcasing my fat more by wearing something more fitting, but I'm comfortable in it. And that's a lot. So I'm gonna try those black pants on real quick and just see what it looks like. Okay guys, I am back and I've got these, maybe they're not from Lane Bryant. I don't know, they're just B. And size 2X. So, try these on. These are so stretchy and super comfortable. They're definitely more comfortable than the jeans. But yeah, all right. Since it's raining today, right now, and probably tomorrow, this is probably what I will wear tomorrow. Yeah. Yes, I'm using the window as a mirror. And I was gonna try the gray shirt with these two. All right. I think I have long black pants with me too, but oh, this isn't bad. Oh my goodness. It's just so comfortable. All right, so this concludes my version of a Torrid haul, first timer. I don't have anybody to help with fancy camera angles. I don't have time for all that. I just wanted to kind of share with you guys that clothing has definitely helped my confidence. Losing a couple of pounds and buying a few things that fit me, that flatter me a little bit more than sloppy clothes helps. I didn't go overboard, I didn't buy a ton of stuff, but at least I have a few items for the change of the season and that I'm comfortable in. So I have my hair color. What do you guys think? It's bright, super bright. The lighting in here is terrible. It was good during the day. So all right. Let me know if you guys shop Torrid. If you like Torrid, definitely go when they have a sale and with a coupon, and it's totally worth it. Oh my gosh, I might sleep in this. It's so comfortable. Yeah, I'm gonna keep this on. All right, until later, you guys. Take care. You'll see me sooner than later. Bye-bye.